Hello? Is it me you're looking for? I think we're live. Hello, everyone. This is something that I've been wanting to get back into. I've been wanting to get back into it for a while, but my computer went for the worst, I guess, and it ended up not being as good as it once was. I couldn't even play Minecraft modded, so I didn't want to try to do anything with the Unreal Engine 4 or the Unreal Engine 5. But once the Unreal Engine 5 came out, I've wanted to experiment with this, which I still couldn't do because I didn't have a good enough computer. Well, last weekend I got my computer. I got my new computer, and that's when I started streaming Minecraft again. And that's when I'm probably gonna start streaming this again. Now, it's been a while, so I had to kind of learn things a little bit, because it's been a while. But basically, I looked at what I had, and it was awful. It was just awful. I don't want to say I completely redid the inventory system, but I made it better. So I'll get into what I did. But basically it's a lot more smoother now. I'll just hit play. I've made it so that way objects can be on the floor. Like there's nothing there. I could pick up an apple, it's there. I could pick up the cheese, it's there. I could go outside. I don't actually know if it's gonna stay there or not. It will. And then I can pick up a pistol and it's there. Although I could have just I start with the pistol, so it's whatever. Not exactly sure what this is. Awake item branch graph is valid. Construction is good. I don't actually. I'm gonna be honest. I don't really care. Wait. Oh, that was the road. That was the road. I'll show you a little bit of what I've done. And I'll show you what my system was before, and I'll show you what my system is now. So let me go into Apple for an example. So this is how I add it to the inventory. It's extremely easy now. Basically, whenever I go into the give me a second. Let me fix that. Let me go ahead and fix that. I'll do a screen capture. Yes. Done. Is that good now? Let me go ahead and move that below everything. Is it glitching out now? If I switch between these? I think we're good. Okay. Going back to what I was saying. So whenever I go into this this box collision, basically it's going to just take the apple and just add it to the inventory. That's as simple as it is. I've made it extremely simple. But inside here it gets a little bit more complicated. So basically what my system was before was I do this whole entire process where I'm creating the slot widget, and then I go into this behemoth where I'm pretty much like scanning if the item's already there, and if it is, and I'm updating that quantity. But I had this thing where I was like current chest inventory, so I would like see what's in the chest and see if I click something, if it's in there, then I move it to the inventory, and then I get rid of it from the chest. It's this whole thing. Now it's extremely simple because all I have to do is get my inventory, add the item to the inventory. So if I go to this apple, it's going into add is coming out here, it's being added to the inventory, and then we're creating a slot widget. We're creating an inventory slot with the item structure from the apple, and then we're adding it to the inventory list, which I'll show you in a little bit, and then it's actually just adding it to the inventory array, so that way I can keep track of what's in my inventory at all times. So basically, when I pick it up, it adds it to the inventory list. I can click on it. I can press on info, an apple a day. It gives me how much food I want. I can click on this drop down arrow, tells me my hunger and my health. That this system is completely bland because this is just a touch test feature. So I can go ahead and I can use it to eat it. It's nice. It's way better than what it was before. Now, one of the errors that I have, not with the inventory, well, actually, I do have some errors with the inventory, but I'm not going to solve them for a while. Is one of the errors that I have with my game is my gun. So basically, when I shoot my gun, so I shot 3 shots. So when I reload, that should be 12, and it is. There's an issue with this though. So I have 9 in my clip. So if I just reload, so now I have 7. I have 7 in reserves. Now when I shoot, I can't actually tell if that worked. Because before... Oh, it's fixed now all of a sudden, huh? Interesting. So before, if it got below my my clip magazine size, it wouldn't actually go. It wouldn't actually reload. I guess I'll fix it when that issue arises again. But wait, yeah, now I can't reload. Yeah, so I guess that's fine for now. One of the issues that I have is that, well, one of the things that you saw is I have a gun, but if I go out here, there's a gun on the floor, and I pick it up, and now it's in my inventory. I have a gun before it gets in my inventory, so that's something that I should probably do. Hello. Okay. Oh, there you go. Oh, there you go. So, as you can see, it's very bland out here. Which I actually want to test out my where am I? Where? There we go. I actually want to test out my other map because my other map actually needs better stuff. So if I go into the lootable maps, little map 1, save. Okay. So this is the one that you guys probably know of. And if I go inside the level blueprint, I should have the lights turned on. Let me close these. Let's see. So if I click on, like, is this part of the door? Can I please? Thank you. Turn on room 2. Okay. Can I look for references? No. Okay. Well, it's room 2. So let's look for room 2. Lights. Turn on lights for room 2. So when I go inside of it, it's going to set the intensity of those. Okay. That's easy then. So all I have to do is make this. Where's the intensity option? Intensity 0. And then 0. There we go. And now I hit play. And now whenever it's completely dark, but once I go into the room, it turns on. I can go in here. Although when I exit, it puts me back at the start. So I also need to fix that. I need to somehow make it so that way it saves the world data or whatever. But this is basically kind of what I want. I'm pretty okay with how the graphics look. I mean, I'm gonna definitely make it better. But why? What is this? Execute lootable map 1. I mean, I don't know what to tell you. It was looking completely fine for me. Cool. I think it was because I entered the bathroom. So I guess I can try to rebuild off of this. I did. Should I show you guys? Yeah. Okay. Epic. Epic library. Let's open this up. I'm gonna open up another Unreal project, and then we'll I'll show you. My computer's being loud now. Okay, so now let me switch. Here we go. So, no, stop it. No, no, it's okay. Here we go. Oh God, Streamlabs is really being weird. Okay, so if I go into here, so I have like a modular neighborhood basically. And where's the maps? Maps, demo map, or overview? I think the demo map was better. I don't know how long this is gonna take. Wow, that was fucking quick. All right. So basically, this is like an asset pack, which is actually free on Epic Game Store right now. So basically, all these assets, at least I believe, all these assets that are here are part of the little thing. So it's pretty cool to see like some exterior things and some interior things, and this is all part of a huge pack. So if I go into here, it's part of a huge pack. Although I don't know if I want to export the whole thing over. I'd rather just get like this stuff and put it over, because let me exit out of this. The reason why I say that is because if I go inside content add-ons, I already have add-ons in here. Like I have icons. I have a lot of icons. I have some furniture packs, and I have effects, and like I just have quite a bit of stuff. So I don't really want to add more things if it's not needed, but I'll do it. So yeah, also this has nothing in it. There's nothing in there. I don't want to delete it if there's something in there. If it's okay, whatever, we'll do that later. So I guess I can try to add it in and see how it looks. Let's actually open, actually let's close out all of this, save. Oh, great. This oh goodbye. This is what happens when you download Streamlabs instead of OBS. Okay, let me quickly add something to a project. I want to add modular neighborhood pack. Add it to. Oh, I don't know how to add it. Here, instead of doing this, guys, I'll just show you my screen, because it just might be better. Actually, yeah. There we go. That works. So so I have like my neighborhood pack, but I can't add it to anything. Because it's actually here. I wish there was a way. Projects. So this is where this is. I wonder, give me a second, guys. I wonder if there's a way that I can show in folder. Oh, there it goes. All right. I'll do what's going on, and I'll just do this off screen. So I need to basically. Oh, my computer is not doing so well with loading this. All right. Well, it's a little bit messed up over. Give me a second. Let me just. Here we go. Did that work? No. There we go. Now it's working. All right. Epic Games, Unreal Engine projects. Okay, I'm basically going into my project 3 and taking the modular set out and manually putting it in. Don't know if that's gonna. So as soon as I go inside the My Project 3, it just completely glitches out. It royally fucks itself. That's cool. Is there really no way I can like do browse or something? Is it gonna let me do the thing? Modular neighborhood. We're gonna try something else because this does not seem to be working at all. We're gonna open this up. And then modular neighborhood. We're just gonna migrate. Apparently we have a low poly forest. So we'll just have this, I guess, modular neighborhood. Do that. Oh no, it's opening up. This is where it lags. For some reason, it really doesn't like this folder. Every single time I go inside of it, it just completely like crashes my windows. Hey, hello, Nate. Okay, we're gonna have to figure this out off stream, I guess, at some point, because that's not gonna fucking happen. So, Nate, I've started Zombie Survival back up because it's incredibly more easier to make stuff in it. Like, incredibly more easier to make stuff in it. So, for instance, I had so much trouble with the inventory system, but now if I can just pick up this apple and it's right there, and I could look at whatever it does, and I can even eat it. It's nice. And then I can pick up this cheese. You know, I can go to the next level. I can pick up this pistol that was lying on the ground. Like, it's just so much easier. And it's so much smoother. Although for some reason it says reflection captures need to be rebuilt. Yeah. I'm so confused. Alright, there we go. I don't know why it starts me there. So, yeah, that was the road. I know. Shut up. Basically, what I was trying to do is I was trying to move the modular house pack to this, but it's really tough to do that. There is a way to do it. I don't like it, but there's a way to do it. Should I do it? I'll do it. I'll do it. All right. Let me do that. Let me go here. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to move my zombie survival project into the actual project in here. So that way it shows up here and I can do whatever I want with it because it's starting to piss me off now. Also, I open up File Explorer and it's trying to load things that I'm not even trying to... Yeah, this is what we're going to do. Shown folder. I wonder if my computer just needs to fucking restart or something. Shown folder. What? Stop it. Alright. Restart. Let's try this again. Shown folder. There we go. Thank you. Fucking Jesus. Okay. Documents, Unreal Projects. Open up program files. Epic Games, Unreal Engine. Open the folder. How's your day going? It's going pretty well. It's going pretty well. I just started working on the game this morning, and I've already made advancements that I've never made. Like, I would have took me like a week to make. So it's going really, really well. Okay, so projects, Zombie Survival 5.0. I'm gonna go ahead and move that into this folder. And then I also needed to delete this because that's gonna be not working. Is it what is... Oh. Oh, okay. I moved it over and it deleted itself from my projects folder, but it's not... What just happened? Alright, so I think it's trying to move over. We'll just let it sit there and wait. I guess while that's happening, I can go here and fix this. I don't know what this is. Let me go into webcam. I need to have OBS because this is just unacceptable. This is fucking terrible. Here, you know what I'll do actually? Did it work? I don't think it's worked yet. Let's go here. Properties. Does this lag? This doesn't lag? This would have lagged on my computer. This is 1080p for my camera. That works for now. Okay, so did it fucking move over yet? No. No, it did not. This is actually aggravating because it's like I can't even move anything over. How are you liking Windows 11? I like it more than Windows 10, I think, just because of the aesthetics. The functionality isn't as good. So like what some of the stuff that you were saying was... Okay, can I just do Control Z? Yes, I can. Okay. So it's back. Let me move this onto my desktop. Okay, it actually moves. Why does it have such a hard time with opening up this fucking fold? This is such bullshit. Anyways, so let's do that, and then we'll do that. Okay. So yeah, I don't like how you have to like right click and then do like the more options thing. That's just dumb. Okay, I'm gonna go to this manually. Why is my computer doing this? My computer has never done this before. Like my computer is now refusing to open up my Files Explorer. Do I need to restart my computer? I'm gonna restart my computer, I guess. So I'll be back. It won't take long, apparently.